Alpha Text is a great Chrome extension that customizes and changes the appearance of online articles to enhance the readability. And I really like this because I really don't like when articles such as this one is cluttered with ads and it's just so messy to read. And this is an article that I have for another class of mine. So I thought this would be perfect to try out the Chrome extension with it. So all you have to do is launch it. And I want to get rid of the media because that just drives me crazy. And I want to maybe change the background color, maybe make it more of like a white or a gray. Let's do gray. Text, I want it to be black, so it's darker and I can see it. Font size, well, it's just colors first. It looks like that. I kind of don't like the black background, so let's just do off white again. So you go back to what you had. Size of the font needs to be a lot bigger so I can read it. I can change the font type and I can make the height a little bit bigger. And I can set, and even now it looks a whole lot better. If I want the text to be even bigger, I can make it a lot bigger. Then we can see it's pretty good. And it just really cleans up the page, a lot easier to read. And I think this would be perfect for students who maybe don't need to see all that junk when they're researching things or looking on their computer at school. Kind of eliminates the distractions, makes them not want to click on things that they shouldn't, and then just kind of gets down to business on what's really important. So I think this is a really cool app, one that I will definitely want to use in my classroom moving forward.